Do you want to know how to make money online as a student? Well, here's an easy guide that anyone can follow to start earning passive income as soon as possible. I'll teach you some of my personal favorite methods to make money as a student so you can get a head start in 2025. This is especially important for students who have fallen into debt due to rising tuition fees or living costs. If you don't take action now, your student loans will only pile up and put you into further debt. But if you follow this guide, you'll be able to find financial freedom much sooner. If you're new here, welcome to my channel where I post weekly videos about making money online, side hustles, and passive income. Now, if you're a student looking for ways to earn extra cash on the side, then you've come to the right place, because I'm going to show you guys how to make anywhere between $300 to $3,000 a month from the comfort of your own home. You can easily do this alongside your studies without spending too much time or effort. The best part is that these methods are completely free and will not require any special skills or experience. All you need is an internet connection and some basic knowledge of technology. If you're still watching this video, it means you're already ahead of the curve. Most students won't even try to look for these side hustles. So if you start today, you'll be way ahead of them. By the end of this video, you'll have several different options for making money online. So even if one doesn't work out for you, there will be plenty more to choose from. We'll go over the pros and cons of each method so you can decide which one is right for you based on your skill set and preferences. Now, before we get started, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out and motivates me to continue creating content like this. Also, don't forget to smash the like button because that tells me you find this video useful and helps it spread to more students like yourself. Let's dive in. Number 1. Online surveys. Filling out surveys is probably one of the easiest ways to make money as a student. There are many websites that pay you for sharing your opinion on various topics. The best thing about this side hustle is that you can do it at your own pace whenever you have free time, such as during class breaks or weekends. On average, you'll get paid around $1 to $3 per survey, depending on the complexity of the questions and how long it takes to complete. While this may not seem like much at first glance, it adds up quickly. For example, if you fill out just 10 surveys a day at $2 per survey, you'll earn $20 every day. In fact, by doing this consistently for 4 weeks, you can make around $800 passively. Additionally, many companies offer gift cards or other incentives for completing surveys, which can be a nice perk. To get started with online surveys, simply search Google for reputable survey websites and sign up. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. Just make sure to read reviews and compare different platforms before choosing one. That way, you will know what kind of money you can expect to make from each website and which one offers the best rewards. Number 2. Freelance writing. Another great way for students to earn money online is by becoming a freelance writer. Many businesses and individuals are willing to pay good money for high-quality written content, whether it's blog posts, articles, or website copy. One platform that connects freelancers with clients all over the world is Fiverr. Simply create an account, set your rates, and start bidding on jobs that match your skills. Alternatively, you can also use freelance websites to find writing gigs. And the best part is you don't need to be an expert writer to get started. With a little practice and creativity, you'll be able to land clients and start earning money in no time. Plus, freelancing offers a lot of flexibility so you can work on your own schedule and choose the projects that interest you. If done correctly, you could potentially make hundreds of dollars a month from writing alone. Number 3. Sell stock photos. Do you have a camera and enjoy taking photos? Then why not sell your photos online and make money at the same time? Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos and set your prices. Once you've uploaded an image, it will be available for purchase by anyone who visits the site. You can earn royalties every time someone downloads your photo. While it may take some time to build up a portfolio and start making decent money from stock photos, it's still worth considering as a potential side hustle. Plus, You can do it at your own pace, and it doesn't require any special skills or experience. All you need is an eye for photography and a willingness to learn. Number 4, virtual assistant. If you're organized and enjoy helping others, then becoming a virtual assistant could be the perfect side hustle for you. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance remotely to businesses and entrepreneurs. You can help with tasks like scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, and conducting research. Many business owners are willing to pay good money for reliable VAs, especially those who have specialized skills. To get started as a VA, simply create a profile on freelance websites and start offering your services. Be sure to highlight your relevant experience and skills in your profile so potential clients know what you can do. With some time and effort, you'll be able to find clients and start earning money as a VA. Number 5, start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is another great way to make money online, especially if you're creative and enjoy making videos. You can share your expertise on a particular topic or simply document your experiences and travels. The key to success on YouTube is to create high-quality, engaging content that will attract viewers. Once you start building up a following, you can monetize your channel through advertising, sponsorships, and selling merchandise. While it takes time and dedication to grow a successful YouTube channel, it's definitely worth considering as a potential side hustle. The platform has changed the game when it comes to making money online, and anyone with a passion for video can find success here. With the right mindset and approach, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable venture while still in school. Number 6, proofreading. Proofreading is another excellent way for students to earn money online. Many businesses and individuals need help proofreading their documents and ensuring they're free of grammatical errors and typos. You can offer your services on freelance websites or reach out to friends and family members who might need your help. With this side hustle, you can set your own hours and work remotely, making it a great option for busy students. Plus, you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. With a little practice, you'll be able to identify common grammar mistakes and ensure that all documents are polished and professional. With the increasing demand for proofreading services, this could be a lucrative side hustle for students looking to earn some extra cash. Number 7, social media management. With more and more businesses moving their operations online, there's a growing need for social media managers who can help them build a strong presence on various platforms. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating and posting engaging content, interacting with followers, and analyzing data to improve performance. This role requires creativity, organization, and communication skills. If you're passionate about social media and have a knack for marketing, then this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Plus, it offers a lot of flexibility so you can work at your own pace and choose the clients you want to work with. With the right skills and experience, you can earn a decent amount of money as a social media manager while still in school. Number 8, transcription. Transcription is another great way for students to earn money online. Many businesses and organizations need help transcribing audio and video files into text, and you can provide that service. This side hustle is perfect for those who have excellent listening skills and attention to detail. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. You can find transcription jobs on freelance websites or by reaching out to local businesses. With some practice, you'll be able to transcribe audio files quickly and accurately, making it a lucrative side hustle for students. Those are just a few easy ways for students to earn money online in 2025. By taking advantage of the opportunities mentioned in this video, students can find financial freedom while still in school. Remember to choose a side hustle that fits your interests and skills, and always do your research before getting started. Good luck and happy hustling.